Myself, Dr. Vishnu. I am working as an assistant professor in Samhita Siddhanta Department, Gujarat. So, I welcome you all to Diksha Ayurvedic Academy. Today, we are going to discuss about Sutrasthana, Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana, first chapter. You all know Samhita Adhyayana is very much important in Ayurvedic competitive examinations. Especially, Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana is having that much role. Detailed and thorough knowledge regarding Sutrasthana is important for to get maximum mark in PG entrance examination. Not only PG entrance examination, we have CRAV examination, medical officer examination, drug inspector examination. For every type of examination, we need detailed and thorough knowledge regarding Sutrasthana and Sharirasthana as well. So, today, in today's class, we are going to explain about Sutrasthana, that is Dirkanjividya Adhyaya, which is first chapter of Charaka Samhita. Then, you know, Charaka Samhita is divided into, that is Sutrasthana is divided into 7 Chatushka. You know, the name of 7 Chatushka are BSN Kriya. This is the mnemonics. This is the easily remembrance. You need these mnemonics for each Chatushka. This is the Chatushka's name. That is Bheshja Chatushka, Swastha Chatushka, Nirdesha Chatushka, Kriya Chatushka, Kalpana Chatushka, Roka Chatushka, Yojana Chatushka and Annapana Chatushka. So we have 7 Chatushkas and 2 Sangraha Adhyaya. In each Chatushka we have 4 chapters. Okay? So 7 into 4, that is 28 chapters, and 2 chapter, the remaining 2 chapter is Sangraha Adhyayana. So total 28 plus 2, 30 chapter are comprises in Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana. So again, this is Bheshja Chatushka, Swastha Chatushka, Nirdesha Chatushka, Kalpana Chatushka, Roka Chatushka, Yojana Chatushka and Annapana Chatushka. That is BSN Kriya. This is the mnemonics, or what we can say, this is the code. So we have a first chapter, that is Dirganjividiyam Adhyayam. This Dirganjividiyam Adhyayam comprises in Bheshja Chatushka, and Bheshja Chatushka, name of the Bheshja Chatushkas chapters are Das. What is Das? We can decode Das. Decode Das. The D means Dirganjividya Adhyaya. A, Abhamarga Tandulya Adhyaya, that is second chapter. A, Aragodiya Adhyaya, that is third chapter. And S, Shadvirejana Shada Asridiyam Adhyayam. Shadvirejana Shada Asridiyam Adhyayam. So this is the code for Bheshja Chatushka, Das. So we are coming to Dirkanjividya Adhyayam. Dirkanjividya Adhyaya is very much important. Why? Because in Padartha Vijnana also this chapter plays an important role, because all of the base sloga of Padartha Vijnana are also comprises in Dirkanjividya Adhyaya. Okay, so for Padartha Vijnana as well as Samhita Adhyayana, we need Dirkanjividya Adhyaya's deep knowledge. So most of the questions are generally coming from Dirkanjividya Adhyaya. Okay, so the first Dirkanjividya Adhyaya is started with a sloga Adhado Dirkanjividya Adhyayam Vyakyasyamaha. So what is the important? What is the MCQ question we can expect? We can expect Adhado Dirkanjividya Adhyayam Vyakyasyamaga contain 8 word, 8 pada. That is the MCQ question, 8 pada. Generally in Ayurveda, 8 is considered as an auspicious word, auspicious or Shubha Shabda, auspicious, which is told in Chakrabani commentary. In Chakrabani commentary, Nidhanasthana, first chapter Jwara Nidhana, it is explained, because Jwara is also classified as 8 in number. So 8 is having that much important. Okay, so Dirkanjividya Adhyayam Vyakyasyamaga contain 8 Shabda, 8 Pada. Okay. Then next is about Ayurveda Utpatti. Ayurveda Utpatti or origin of Ayurveda. What is the explanation? What is the opinion of Charaka Samhita or Acharya Charaka regarding origin of Ayurveda? You know, Lord Brahma is the creator. From Lord Brahma to Ayurveda is transferred to Daksha Prajapati. Daksha Prajapati. From Daksha Prajapati to Ayurveda to Deva Pishach. Who is Deva Pishach? Ashwini Kumara. From Ashwini Kumara, Ayurveda transferred to Lord Indra, that we all know. Lord Indra is, according to Ashtanga Hridaya first chapter, Ayushkami Madhyaya, Lord Indra is termed, or the synonym, or another Shabda, Arthandaram, another Shabda of Lord Indra is Sahasraksha. Likewise, Acharya Charaka is also termed Lord Indra as Shakra or Shakrataru. In the following verses in Charaka Samhita, that is first chapter, we can see Shakrataru, Shakra and Amareshwara and Sharanya. Amareshwara and Sharanya are the synonym of Lord Indra. So what are the synonyms of Lord Indra? Sahasraksha, not only Sahasraksha, Shakra, Shakrataru. In some books, some guide, we can see Balahandaram. Balahandara is also termed as a synonym of Lord Indra. In Lord Indra is Sahasraksha, Shakrataru, Shakra, Sharanya and Amareshwara. From Lord Indra, the Ayurveda is transferred to Bharadwaja. Bharadwaja. So Bharadwaja is have another name, another synonym that you can see in Dirkanjividi Adhyaya. So the MCQ will ask, who is known as Ugratapa? So that is Ugratapa is nothing but Bharadwaja is known as Ugratapa. In the starting version, I already told in the starting version, that is Adado Dirkanjividi Adhyayam Vyakyasyamaha. There we can see salutation, salutation to God. Because sloga, the chapter is started with a salutation. Who is giving salutation? Not only Charaka, not by Charaka. The salutation is given by Chakrabani. Salutation to Murtitrayam, that is Trimurti and Saraswati. So Murtitrayam, Trimurti and Saraswati. So Goddess Saraswati and Trimurti salutations can be seen in the starting verses of Chakrabani commentary. So who is Chakrabani? Chakrabani is the commentator of Charaka Samhita, and the commentary of Charaka Samhita is nothing but Ayurveda Deepika. And the same Chakrabani is having two other synonyms. The first synonym is, his another name is Charaka Chadura Anana. Charaka Chadura Anana. And Susruta Sahasra Nayana. Susruta Sahasra, 1000 eyes. Sahasra Nayana.